Hi guys, today we will make a new meal together. It will be beef, like this, with mixed potatoes. I don't know in English, I think it's mixed potatoes, I don't know. With pesto sauce, okay? It's better with fresh basilic, but I don't have, I have this, but it's good too, don't worry. Again, thank you so much for supporting me, and don't forget to like the video, comment, and also subscribe to my channel for don't miss my next video. Okay, in first we will make the mixed potatoes. So my potatoes are clean, okay? So you need to do this too. I forget to say the ingredients, sorry. So you need basilic, like me, or it's not me the basilic, of course, like mine, or fresh basilic. You can take cheddar or another cheese for the mixed potatoes. It's 3 potatoes for 2 persons. Why I have the lemon, I don't know. The garlic, I don't know in English, Parmigiano in Italian. Beef, okay. Butter. Olive oil with basilic or just olive oil, it's okay. And it's good. And the milk for the mixed potatoes, I don't drink regular milk. I don't like that. So me, I have almond milk, okay? Okay, so first we will cook the potatoes. I use this for cook, for very hot, you see, but you can cook in this too, okay? It's the same time, like 20 minutes. Personally, I prefer with this. It's easier. I think you see my cat. I'm sorry. So let's go. It's not my favorite part of the meal. I don't like to do that. I cut like this. I hope that you are good. I don't know if you will go in holidays. Personally, I will go in France and in Italy. So I can't wait. Really. You can talk with me on Twitter, okay? I open my message. Okay. Here's the end. Whew. For one time, I don't have a sportswear outfit. For one time. Okay. And now you cook this for 15-20 minutes. You will see. Oh. If I forget water, it will be complicated. Perfect. Okay, so we keep the milk, butter, cheddar, Parmigiano for after. We will make the pesto sauce. Very easy, really. So you add the olive oil, like 2 big spoons, 3. The basilic, and the garlic. Okay. And now it's good. And we wait 15 minutes. We will make the beef, very easy. And after it's good. We'll make the beef. We can start the mixed potatoes too. Not too much milk. Perfect. Very good. I just make one because I'm alone, of course. And now it's good.